G'day, this is Oz ADV Rider. I'm out with Andi from First Light ADV today. Just coming through Talangi at the moment. Met up with Andi at King Lake. The plan was just to do some tracks around King Lake, and Andi said, oh, such a nice day, why don't we go to Licola? I said, why not? So it's going to be a big day. So the plan is to go Eildon, Jamison and down to Licola from there, then back home. Never been to Licola before, so it should be interesting. I think it's all fairly easy roads, probably will be a lot of dirt. Oh shit. Oh no, this lovely piece of road is the EJ road. It's a really nice road. Great for road bikes, that's for sure. Still good fun on an adventure bike. So 60 odd Ks I think between Eildon and Jamison. Lots and lots of turns. I think this will be the Goulburn River. Jamison, Mansfield, righto. Yeah, Goulburn River. Gooley's Bridge. Well, I'm guessing these trees aren't normally underwater. Tell you what, with all the crap weather we've had lately, when you get a nice day like this, you make the best of it. It's beautiful today, not too cold, not too hot. I have seen one snake though, so now every time I see a shadow or a bit of bark, I think it's a snake again. I think it was a brown snake. Oh. Ferguson's. All these trucks are closed.
I think we didn't go that way, but I would have been close.
Yeah, right.
Go back.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks pretty bad.
Try that one.
Is it?
Yeah, wow.
So I think that's one of the tracks he was planning on doing. Looks like it's closed. Yeah, a lot of trucks have been damaged with all the bad weather we had. What is that? What the hell's that about? Bathtub? Some running water. Snake Edwards Divide Track. Oh well, tell you what, this truck's getting rough. It's become very rocky, but very spectacular at the same time. Is that a swimming pool? Certainly see some interesting things up here. Oh wow. We'll just have a quick squeeze over there. I'm still recording, aren't I? Wow, nice. Oh, he's coming back. Anyway, it's been a fantastic day. Thanks a lot, Andy, for leading the way. Yeah, it's great to go somewhere you've never been before. It always helps when you've got someone who knows the area to lead the way. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time.